Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So you guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about why I cut my natural hair. What's the reason, what's my goals, etc, etc. So you guys, before we get started into this video, if you are new to my channel, welcome again. Go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam so you can get all this goodness, okay, and you don't miss a thing. Also hit that bell so you can be notified every single time when I post any type of future uploads. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started into the topic at hand today. So you guys, so I have been getting a lot of questions on social media, my Instagram. If you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me now at my natural high. But I have been getting a lot of questions about my haircut since I posted my haircut video. So why did I cut my hair? Now I did speak about this just a little bit, I believe so, in my video when I did cut my hair, I believe so. I can't remember because I cut my hair I don't know, maybe like 4 days prior to this current video. But I cut my hair mainly because if you see my previous video about the whole blonde dye ruining my natural hair, that is the biggest reason why I chopped it all, baby. I let it go like fake friends. So I let my hair go like fake friends, like dead ends, let them go like fake friends, okay? But yes, you guys, so I cut a bit of hair off because I just felt like my blonde hair was pretty much just ruining like the healthy or trying to get healthy state of my hair. Even though I did get a trim, I think it was like January sometime, or either, yeah, I think it was probably January or December. I got a trim and my next trim was supposed to be in March, but you know, Corona, all of that stuff came. So over the time I was sitting here like, you know what, like I honestly feel like a trim is not going to do it for me and my soul, because I just felt like, you know, even though I kept doing videos, you know, doing my hair, it was just like every single time when I took down one of my styles, especially the perm rods, it was really just any style, literally. Like whenever I took down my styles and I would see how frizzy my ends were, it really disturbed me, and I felt like I just could not continuously keep this color. Like literally, like I have been color treated for a very, very long time, like on and off, on and off. I've been red, blonde, burgundy, I mean black, Jesus Christ. The only color I have not been consistently with is my natural hair color. So I still have a little bit of blonde here and there, which is fine. I feel like over time I will like cut the blonde completely away, but I really want to see how my hair will grow and flourish with it just being its natural color and state. Honestly, like my curls back here, like when I wash them, they are phenomenal, okay? I have never seen my hair so phenomenal back there ever since being natural. You know, maybe in the beginning, but sis, when I chopped my hair and did a whole wash day, I was like, oh, this hair is it, okay? And I love the taper look. Like I had a taper twice already and actually cut it myself, but for some reason, even in the video, like that first cut, and I don't know if it was because it was on camera or what, but the first cut was the most scariest cut. And when I cut it, I was like, oh my gosh, Tam, what the hell are you doing? You cut too much. Because literally, like, I'm holding my hair from right here and I cut here, then my hair go there, and I'm like, sis, I think you did too much. And I'm like, I can't glue it back, so we gotta continue. I guess we just gotta continue. But thank God my hair is styled and came out the correct shape. Now, like I said, I will continuously you know, cut the blondes off over time or whatever. But yeah, so the main reason I cut my hair is because the whole blonde was just frying my ends. Like blonde, honestly, like it just seemed like it just does not stop processing. The ends of my hair kept seeming like it got lighter and lighter over time because my hair wasn't even that light when I first dyed it, honestly. And even when I would do the trim, it seemed like the new ends or the fresher ends would get light and still like get a lot of split ends, get a lot of knots, and just start feeling fried. And you know when your hair is just not healthy at the ends, like when you can start from the root and go on down and it feels all smooth, and then it just started feeling like a freaking Brillo pad back there. So I was like, I'm done with that. So my goal is to just, you know, be not color treated to however long I can. I can't even tell you a date, but to just go a long time without color, just to see how well my hair grows. And hopefully you guys can follow me throughout this journey. Like I said, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below because I post some great content on this channel and y'all need to watch it, sis, okay? But no, for real. So I'm definitely going to keep up with my moisture routine, so my deep conditioners every single week, every wash day. I actually do want to incorporate, you know, using rice water into my hair because, you know, I heard some great things about regular rice water as well as the black rice water. I want to incorporate that as well as start doing some hot oil treatments. Like I have a bunch of oils, but I still have yet to do a hot oil treatment. So that's another topic on another day. But yeah, so I just want to like build my routine a little bit better and obviously focus more on moisture and hair growth and not like keep bad hair or damaged hair because of the length. That is one problem that I've always had in the past is, you know, I have long hair and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't want to cut it because it took a while to get there. But this time I'm really going to focus. I know this is my third time cutting my hair this short, which I love to death, y'all. Like I really just want to keep my hair this short. Okay, I kind of look like a mom or something, Jesus, I don't know, but I just really want to keep up more with the health of my hair, growth of my hair, build my regimens and routines up consistently, and just treat my hair like it should be treated with so much 1,000%, 10,000% of love, okay? But yes, I really love my hair this way. I do. So this is going to be a little bit different for me just because, you know, I've never been short on YouTube, but yes, y'all guys will follow me throughout this journey, trying on different hairstyles with this short hair. So we're going to see, you know, yeah, how far I can get with this. But yes, so y'all, the crazy thing about me cutting my hair, well, before I cut my hair, I was talking to my friends, talking to my boyfriend. I was like, babe, I think I'm gonna cut my hair. He's like, why? And I'm like, because my hair is damaged. Like, it needs to be more healthy. He was like, no, your hair looks fine. This is that. I'm like, you don't understand my hair. You don't understand hair. You know what I'm saying? So you can't sit here and be like, oh, you know, no, keep like that. I'm like, no, like, it's really, really damaged. I know it looks so cute, nice and big, because he loves my hair big. Even though when we first met, my hair was actually this short. Or either I cut it in our first year this short, I can't remember, but he has been loving my hair since it's been growing, and I know this is gonna break his heart, but it's gonna be okay because you know what, this hair is gonna get bigger and bigger and healthier, and that is our goal, okay? So, and the crazy thing is I'm making this video and I have not shown him my hair just yet. I haven't sent him a picture or anything, but yes, so we're all going through this journey together. None of my friends seen my hair yet, child. It's just secrecy, okay? Y'all seen it first. At least I think y'all gonna see it first because who knows when I'm gonna post this video. Okay, so you guys, so that is the reason why I cut off my hair, and I actually still have my hair with me because I'm like, I can't believe I actually cut it. All of this hair, sister, all of this hair, all this blonde damage. It still smells good, but blonde damage is just gone. Oh wait, it's gone. It's gone, and I love it now. I am loving this change, and I do not regret it at all because my curls are popping and my style is popping. sis, period. But so you guys, so that's the whole reason why I cut my hair. So hopefully you guys stay with me throughout this journey of my hair growth, my hair health. So yeah, ride with me, sis. Subscribe to me, sis. Okay, but you guys, so if y'all did enjoy this good little video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye guys.